stopping that tractor from this app in here. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to make it stop.
They don't call us the smart country for nothing.
How good is that? I'll make it start again. Absolutely incredible. Here, satellite, down to the tractor. I'm going to make it swing around now. A little steering wheel here, little accelerator, little brake. Okay, now I'm going to bring it back to me.
Yep, in the right hands, technology is pretty amazing stuff.
And stop. Incredible, isn't it? With this app and that tractor right there, I can take all those hay bales and put them into a truck. Ooh. Oh! I've dropped the boat! I've dropped the boat! Put stop on the boat! I can't get off! Oh no! The hay bale! The hay bale! Shit! Oh no!
With that job taken care of,